Hello traders, good day. How are you doing? I hope you guys are good, yeah. And it's been a while I dropped a video on this channel and I'm so sorry about that. I hope you guys trading have been going well. Um if you are experiencing any challenges, don't forget it's me, Miracle, and you can comment in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. If it's something that required a video, I'll see to it if I'll add it to the next video I'm going to do. And if you want to have a one-on-one mentorship with me, I'm going to drop my number again here in the description box, not on the comment section, please, in the description box. So you do well to message me. We're going to talk, and hopefully it's not free. One-on-one mentorship, it's not free. And in the group there, I'm going to be dropping signals here. So let's dive straight into this video without me wasting much of your time. And I promised in my previous video I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do a video in which you can that can help you develop a winning strategy, to know what kind of trader you are. Because if you really don't know the kind of trader you are, if you are a swing trader by psychology and you're following a YouTuber who is a day trader, you might end up keep continue blowing your account. Because why? The trader of the day trader style of trading differs from the psychology of yours, the way you see the market. You might like a long time holding, while him is a short time trader that leverage and maximize each moves, or a scalper. So this video is designed for you if you are confused on what kind of trader you are, to determine, to start up, know who to follow, and do what the person is doing, implement everything the person is doing. There's a saying that goes that if you really want to be, a shortcut to success is to get a mentor with a successful track record, like, you understand. So you follow and implement everything that person is doing, yeah. So in this video I'm going to cover all of that, everything you need to be to start up or know the kind of trader you are. I have some bullet questions, I have some points, we all are going to discuss here. So let's dive straight into this video. So number one, how to develop a winning strategy. How to develop a winning strategy. So let's go. So these are the best steps to follow to develop a winning forex strategy that you can stick to. These are the broad steps to follow to develop a winning strategy that you can stick to. Yeah, so this is written twice. So in order for you to maximize your trading lifestyle in forex market, the number one goal is for you to have a winning strategy. But first of all, I want you to understand that your strategy doesn't move the market. The market will go wherever you want to go, but your strategy is just a way to give you opportunity to join the market, to head where that market is heading to. Because strategy, some people are looking for winning strategy, but instead of looking for winning strategy, you people have to, like, the first thing that have to come to your mind is how to predict the market successfully, to have a winning predictability lifestyle strategy, sorry to say. Do you understand? Because your strategy, no matter how good and no matter how perfect it may seem, if you don't understand where the market is heading to, you're still going to blow accounts. So this is what a winning for how to develop a winning forex strategy. So these are what we're going to be covering here in this little short tutorial. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's head straight. So number one question is what? Determine which kind of trader you are. So don't worry if the question is kind of straight, you don't know how to determine. I have some bullet questions you will ask yourself, and if you can answer it sincerely, you're going to answer this question straight up. So number one here is determine the kind of trader you are. You want to know the kind of trader you are before heading into the market. With that, you will know the kind of strategy that will suit you. Yeah, so head straight to the next. Choose the trading style. that suits you best. What kind of trading style do you love? What kind of trading style do you feel comfortable doing? Do you feel comfortable scalping, adding multiple position in just a short move? Do you feel do you feel comfortable leaving trade to run for weeks, for months? Do you feel satisfied in that kind of trade? So you have to choose the trading style that suits you best. Yeah. So number three, define your entry and exiting in the market. What method do you want to use? What method do you want to use to enter the market, and what method do you want to use to exist? Some people love chart pattern, seeing head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. Some like candlesticks pattern, seeing wicks rejection. Some trade with just trend line. Some trade with order block, and that's smart money traders. So what kind of method you want to use, you have to define it, and all this you have to write them down. Define the kind of trader you are. Okay, this, I'm a swing trader, I'm a day trader, I'm a scalper, I'm a position trader. Write it down. Choose the trading style that suits you best. Okay, this is the trading style that suits me best. You write it down. Define your mode of entry. No matter what this market is doing, if it doesn't meet my methodology, I'm not going to enter this market. You write it down. Yeah. So we move to the next. Define your risk. What is the risk? What risk are you willing to take? What risk are you willing to take in the market that won't affect you, that you won't hit yourself? You have to define it. And no matter how juicy that trade is, you stick to the plan. Yeah, in this trade, I'm just going to risk 2% of my account. In this trade, I'm just going to risk 1%. I'm going to risk 10%. Whatever it may be, just write it down. And no matter how this trade is going in your favor, swinging and going like dipping, if you are going bearish, or buying if you are going bullish, you're gonna stick to it, that this is the lot size I'm gonna use no matter what happens. So this is where discipline comes in. So you have to define your risk. Now the last one is what? Back test and forward your test system. You have to go back. Once you determine the kind of trader you are, choose the trading style that suits you best. Define your method of entering and exiting the market. Define your risk. Backtest and forward test your system. So back testing, you have to go back and try and see if this work out of 10 trade. If you are able to get 7, 8, 9 or 10, if it's possible, then you are good to go. You don't want to a situation where you are getting 6 out of 10. Yeah, so the remaining one, if not 5/5, is by luck. So these are what we are gonna be discussing here. So if you've not liked the video, hit that like button. If you've not subscribed, if you're new to this channel, kindly smash that small subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big shout out to you. Well done, thank you for sticking and hanging on. Yeah, so let's dive into this video. I'm waiting for you if you haven't subscribed. So yeah, thank you. So let's dive in straight into the video. Now, step one: which kind of trader are you? So now, this is very important. Yeah, this is very important. So we're gonna be discussing this here. So let's okay, let me mark this good. Yeah, so now, which kind of trader are you? Why is this so important to figure out your trader personality profile? The power of knowing which kind of trader you are will allow you to focus on your time, your energy, your attention on developing forex strategies that works with your trading style. So you have to understand that trading is all about psychology. It deals mostly with your psychology. So if you don't trade the pattern that aligns with your methodology, you are going to keep blowing accounts. Do you understand? You keep blowing account. If you're a swing trader and you're following a day trader, it gives you headache. It makes trading difficult. Why? Trading is supposed to be relaxing and stress free. So sometimes the best way to make money for one type of trader can be the profit and a losing strategy for another. We are all different. We have different approach to markets. Do you understand? So if you haven't smashed that subscribe button, please do, please do, please do. It takes a real time to put this together. Yeah. So learning how trading forex works and how to make it profitable is hard enough. So working on strategies with high probability of working out for you will simplify the whole process and give yourself a better chance to succeed. So it all starts from what? Determining the kind of trader you are, then stick to a YouTuber or a mentor that is trading the kind of style you love. You understand? So question number one now, how to determine your trader profile. Ask yourself, why do you want to start trading at the first place? So you want to pause this video right now and ask yourself this question and answer it sincerely and write your answers down. Yeah. So number two, what do you hope to achieve? So these are the things that will keep you going even though you keep blowing account. Once you keep blowing account, you raise your head, you're gonna hang all these stuffs where you can see them. Yeah. So once, what do you want to achieve? What are your hopes? Why are you trading at the first place? Yeah. So number three, what is your general knowledge of the market and their correlations? Trading, money management, trading psychology, trading platform, forex brokers, and financial products. So you have to have a fundamental knowledge of forex. You don't just enter just to make money. You have to know the fundamentals, the primary, why the where it started from, what really moves the market. These are very key notes you have to take note of. So how much education will you need before you start trading? This is vital, because some people just want to bypass the way and keep blowing up account. It's better you get yourself a mentor. Yeah. How often will you be able to trade? This is very important. Will you dedicate your trading time to be fixed, or do you have to be flexible? This is very vital. What Okay, let me mark it. So now, where did I stop? What will be your risk level? What will your risk level be? How will you how well can you control your emotions and stress? This is very vital. Do you prefer to see results of your trade within the same day, or you can wait a few days for your trade to play out? How often would you prefer to check your trades? Will you use technical or fundamental analysis to determine your edge and ultimately your entry and exit setups? What amount of money can you allocate to forex trading? So these are bullet questions that will help you determine the kind of trader you are. Yeah. So you want to pause this video, ask yourself all these questions and arrive at your answer, then you come and continue. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Please subscribe and help us grow. Yeah, help us grow. So number two, which trading style suits you best? So once you've answered all these questions, you will start to see where you fit in the trading spectrum. There are few different types of categories which within you fit in, you will fit in. Yeah. So a trading time frame preference: scalper, day trader, swing trader, position trader. A type of trading analysis preference: technical trader, fundamental trader. And a risk tolerant preference: risk average, risk neutral, risk loving. Yeah. So this is the kind of trading style that this once you've answered the kind of trader you are, it will give you a line, a view of the kind of trading style that suits you best. Are you this aggressive trader that you are aggressive to the market, you like entering position, you like ta 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 to get to maximize each move, or you like to enter and you let the market breathe, you let the market do your thing and hit your take profit, or you just you're just neutral towards the risk management? So these are what you have to ask yourself and come to a prevalent answer that will determine the kind of trading style that suits you best. So you will be one of the four types of trader: a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, and a position trader. So a scalper are those ones that are just there to take few pips, like a maximum of 10 pips. They are mostly found on what? That 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame. You understand? So day traders are the ones that get at maximum of 50 pips to 60 pips. You understand? Or maybe sometimes 100 pips. So they are there just they execute their trade that day and close that same day. So swing traders are the ones that live for months, they live for weeks. You understand? So position traders hold for years. Those are monthly fundamentals. Do you understand? So now scalping and day trading. These two types of trading are most effective and aggressive type of currency trading. They are both implied that all your trading position will be open and closed within that same day. So I just explained this. So day trading targets more pips and positions can be open for few hours. Scalping in the forex market is about buying and selling currency pair with target of few pips held no more than few minutes or even seconds. So this, as I said earlier, and deals with psychology. So day trading targets more pips and position can be open for few hours. This trading styles works within very short term trading strategies to buy tiny but consistent profit to increase return through high leverage. This is what I said. They like to ta the game. So both strategies can be stressful and require being able to be extremely focused and available in front of your trading desk while you are trading. You see. So yeah, we'll go ahead. Scalping and day trading is for you if don't like to hold your position. You don't like to hold your position overnight, you prefer intraday trading, like to know if you earn or lose money at the end of your trading day, tolerate high level of the market and leverage risk. Are you available to be in front of your market and quickly react to potential opportunities? Can you deal with relatively high level of stress, like fast paced trading? So these are some kind of confirmations to see if you're a day trader or a scalper. Yeah, so let's move into swing trading. Now swing trading, this trading style is medium term approach based on the taking advantage of changes in the momentum of currency pair within a primary trend. Yeah, so traders typically hold positions from days to weeks, some even months. Yeah, my mentor holds for months. So swing trading requires a lot of patience, as you'll be able to hold your position normally with a fair degree of leverage for several days or weeks. It's ideal for engaged part-time traders, as they don't always have time to analyze the market every day. So swing trading is for you if you don't have much time to spend in front of your screen every day. You hold your positions for days or weeks. You favor technical analysis. You understand? These are some kind of an confirmation to know if you're a swing trader here. So position trading. This trading style is a long-term approach based on the taking advantage of changes in the long-term price. Yeah, in the long-term price currency. Price of currency pair. Traders typically hold position for few weeks, months, or even years. Yeah, so these are position traders. These are the big boys. Traders take position and hold it. They are not even bothered of short-term fluctuation of price. So typically these positions are neither taken from currency futures market, where funding is priced in and where the prudent amount of leverage. So position traders might only do the analysis every month or so, and are even seeking to identify the trade in big trends. They look at mostly monthly and weekly, sorry to say. So position trader is for you if you don't have much time to spend in front of your disc of your screen every week. You hold onto your position for months or even years. You don't want to use much leverage. You favor fundamental analysis when figuring out which trading style suits you best. Your personality, you need to take into consideration all the following elements: your current schedule, your attention span, your risk aversion. Yeah, so consequently you need to match your selected time frame with your lifestyle and personality. So with position trading, you might trade using daily time frame. With swing trading, you might stay in position for a couple of days or few weeks while using 4 hour to daily charts. With scalping and day trading, you will stay in your position anywhere from few seconds to a day using anything tick from hourly charts. So now step 3, which kind of analysis method will you use to make your trading decision? So this is a very bullet question. There are few types of analysis that could be good to fit your personality. You could be a noise trader, sentiment trader, an arbitrage trader, market timer, but the most common ones are technical traders and fundamental traders. Yeah, so most traders are just mostly scalpers. So technical traders use technical analysis to analyze and assess the price movement using past price, to forecast the future price action. This is what mostly we use. Yeah, so they trade analysis, support and resistance, as well as mathematically and technical indicators, Japanese candlesticks analysis, market theory and price pattern analysis to trade. Now, fundamental traders look at fundamental factors to determine the intrinsic value of the financial assets and define if it is undervalued, overvalued, and whether or not the asset should be bought or sold. Yeah, so a fundamental forex trader will predominantly use news trading to or currency carried trading strategies, mostly based on interest rate charges that have the highest impact on the evolution of exchange rates. Okay, I guess I have just typed something. So let's go down to where we are. Where are we? Okay, I guess. Okay, not again, bro. Sorry. Okay, let me pause this and get to where we. Yeah, so now right now we are going to go to risk management. Now, there are common money and risk management rules that you can follow, such as only use the money you can afford to lose. This is very vital. Some people will deposit money that once they blow that account, they will hate themselves for weeks. Trading is not so. That will demoralize your psychology. You only invest what you are able to lose, just like a dead seed. Once you plant a seed corn on the ground, whether that corn grows or not, is either it grow or it dies. So imagine you planting something you have to feed on, like something. I know sacrifice is actually cool, yeah, so but planting what you have no other option but to feed on, you are planting it on the ground, yeah, so either that plant dies or it survives. So now you don't want to trade with something that your life savings or something you are totally depending on. Do you understand? So you want to trade something, you want to invest something that you are willing to lose. That is why I advise traders to always withdraw every week. Withdraw your capital, withdraw anything, no matter how small. It helps your psychology. So number 2, adapt your risk management to your trading style. If you are a scalper, if you are a day trader, those are aggressive guys, even though you are aggressive to the market, always have a risk management. Even though you are going to risk 10% to get 30%, but stick to it. If you are a swing trader, you want to risk 3% to get 10%. All these are, I always stick to your risk ratio. So always use stop loss and limit order. Of course, I don't have to tell you, don't use stop loss now when you blow your account. That's by the way, yeah. So risk maximum of 1% of your available trading capital per position. So this is if you have like $1,000 and all of that. So if you have $10, you don't want to be risking 1%. What's 1% of 10%? That's about 0.1 cents. Come on. Even the lowest leverage can give you that. So avoid over leveraging. That's very, very vital. Leverage is a great tool you can use to increase your potential. You can be a billionaire over a millionaire overnight. Yeah, even billionaire, man. So you can be times 3 richer, but it can make you times 3 poor. You understand? So you want to what? Leverage with sense. You want to trade with sense. So back test and forward test. I guess this is where I'll come to the end of the video. Yeah, back test and forward. Then once you determine the kind of forex trader you are, the kind of trading style that suits your personality, you need to test your trading strategy with historical data back test, as well as current market condition and actual trading forward test with your demo account. So with all these, you can put them together and put a winning strategy that you can use to win the market. You understand? So always have in back of your mind that even though you miss a trading opportunity, there will also be another trading opportunity. But if you blow your account, there will not be any money. That money won't be there again. So always have in back of your mind, resist that fear of missing out. If you miss on that trade, trust me, there are more coming your way. But if you blow your account, there's none coming. That same money won't come back. Your broker will refund that. This man has lost a lot of money, let's give him some percentage. They don't do that, man. So you have to know what you have to stick. The aim is to remain in the market and not to earn and the market sends you out. So I don't know if this is anywhere helpful to you. If it's helpful, kindly hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and comment why in the question box if this is anywhere help you. And if you want a one-on-one tutorial with me, a mentorship with me, and my trading strategy, I'm a swing trader, yeah, but I also have trading strategy that works for even day trading. I For the past few days now I've been day trading, yeah. So you can still stick with me if you really wish, yeah, that's fine. But the main thing is for you to win, irrespective if you are using indicators or whatever it is. The main thing is for you to make money from the market. So if you want to have a one-on-one mentorship with me, my number will be in the description box and not in the comment box section, yeah. So that's it about this. I fulfilled my promise. So have a nice day and peace.